So welcome to our video for our 2016 16 plate Ford EcoSport 1 litre 140 brake horsepower titanium S model. This is the range topping model at its time. It's finished in the metallic grey. It's got half leather, half cloth interior. It's a one owner car, 6 stamps in the service book. It's in fantastic condition throughout, and it's had the crucial wet belt changed earlier this year. So this car is good to go for a long time. So just looking around it, I can honestly say there's virtually nothing at all to point out. It is absolutely lovely. Great set of tyres all round, brand new on the back in actual fact. The wheels unmarked. They look fantastic in the gloss black as well. Just coming down the side of the car, all nice, no dings, dents or scratches. Again, that back wheel, absolutely lovely. The car is local to us. It was supplied by the local Ford main dealer, and has been a neighbour of ours, his car. Great specification on this. It's got navigation and rear view camera or parking camera as an optional extra, as well as the metallic paint. It's got heated front seats, heated windscreen, heated mirrors. So looking inside, it's the same story. No animals or children in this car. It was a retired couple that had it. And just looking around there, it's got the Sony audio system. I say especially for this time of year, great news for the heated front screen, the heated seats. Climate control. There's the heated seats switches at the bottom there. 5-speed manual gearbox, multi-function steering wheel. It's covered less than 27,000 miles. Automatic lights, automatic windscreen wipers, and auto dipping rear view mirror. Electric windows all round, which you can isolate the rear electric windows if you have little ones. Just taking a look in the back, as you can see, all the door cards, absolutely lovely. The seats look as if they've never been sat on. Half leather, so they're not too cold when you get in them, because you're sitting on the cloth, but if you do have any spillages, they're wipeable. And then the rear tailgate is great because you've got a really low loading lip there, so if you do put anything heavy in the car or awkward, really easy to get it in because it's a really low entry point. It's got rear parking sensors. It also has keyless entry, so you don't have to fumble around looking for that key. If it's in your handbag or in your pocket, you can just press the button and open the doors. Just having a quick look at the other side in the rear. Really nice shape, like a quilted finish there, really nice. And there we go, passenger airbag, driver's airbag, side airbags on this, in really spectacular order throughout. So there it is, that's our 2016 16 plate Ford EcoSport Titanium S. As I say, it has had the wet belt changed, which, to give you some idea of what that's worth, Ford are currently charging about £1,300 for that. So that's future servicing that you don't have to spend out on. If you are interested, give us a call. It's Brunswick Motor Company, 01295 203 777. We're located between Banbury and Brackley and Silverstone, and we'll look forward to your call. Thanks for watching.